Yeah. Where's Ja Rule? Previously on Kimba TV. So like this, I want to take this. I want to take that. Then go down. There's really only two things that I'm doing. A sweep play here, sweep play there. So sweep long, sweep short. That's it. If it stops me out, well, it doesn't. Yeah, I mean, if it fills me and then stops me out, there's no other trade I'm attempting. Happy Tuesday, y'all. But it's first week of September, so you already know what it is. We kind of talked about it last week. Pretty chill. Plan is still the same. I'm not really interested in scalping anything, so it's either a sweep of that long, or, you know, like 26.6. That single print that's always been up there. 26.7, 27,000s also. So that's the short. So I think we'll just wait. Yeah, this is it for today. Yeah, I mean, for me, the plan is still the same from the weekend. We didn't get anything. This was the weekend. We just came back from a 3-day holiday weekend. It's the beginning of the month. Okay, CPI and PPI is next week. Alrighty, so today it's not gonna really be that crazy, to be honest with you. There's no really easy trade. The only other level that was relevant this morning was there was a naked point of control at like 850. Okay, so if you're scalping a short from 850, awesome. You know, if you have like a long from like 550, like this bitch, awesome. Those are like your only two short, I think, plays, or scalp opportunities. You either have like a 550, you know what I'm saying, like 580 long, or you have the naked point of control sweep sort of play. So if you're scalping, it's a short from there or a long from there. Maybe you lasted through that golden pocket sweep stop loss hunt. Yeah, but for me, brother, it's the same as where we left off on Friday. It's got to come up here if I'm going to think about shorting, and then it's a sweep if I'm looking to long, okay? That's it. Okay, so here's the thing, Max. You see this, right? We're all looking at the same shit. Do you see how I would maybe like to long 18.75, you know, with like a sweep of this? Okay. And do you understand that if that long doesn't work, you don't long anything until you start to get into like 17, 16.9? So you could try, I would love a sweep long here, you know, grab that point of control, okay? And then other than that, you have to decide which way it's gonna go first, which one it wants to grab first. You've got a long opportunity, and you've got a short opportunity up here. And you also have a short opportunity right there too. So identify the levels, and then, yeah, and this kind of confluence is what we were talking about too. That could be interesting. Well, I mean, if you took like this bold div, I guess that's all right. Well, it's like really respecting volume nodes. So if I had to, so my initial knee-jerk reaction was, are you already in a short, right? You know, I would probably prefer to be in a short on this, but it's like Bitcoin. You should already be in a short. You know, and like for me on Bitcoin, if it goes to 26.6, 26.7, then I'm gonna short it. I guess if you have confluence with Biddy, you know, if it goes up there, then that could be a short too. Yeah, other than that, the only long, like I said, that I would want is off of this point of control. 18.75 or some shit. And then like if it swept and like bing, that would even be cleaner. But it's, you know, it's not going to be that easy probably. I don't know if that helps, but that's what I would probably say. Because look, it went back in. So here, this is like 5th grade TA. It it penetrated, and then it got rejected at point of control. So if you turn this bitch into support, if this gets turned into support, your probabilities start to really increase that you're going to rotate all the way back here. If you turn this into support, then it's almost like, I don't want to say guaranteed, but it's like 68, 70% you're going to test the value area high. So I think it's got rejected there for a reason. So maybe we'll look at golden pocket pullback right here. I think you lose it though. Ladies and gentlemen, less than 60 seconds until market close. Get your channel point predictions in. All right, we're testing a whole bunch of stuff in anticipation for the streamathon. So we got like the subathon thing going up in the top left. All right, 1 sub equals 5 minutes. And so basically I'll just stream until that counter goes down. All right, so 1 sub equals 5 minutes. We're testing that out. If we last until like 6, I want to try to maybe give away like $1,800, something like that. And I might actually put up a new merch thing. I mean, we're going to do merch giveaways either way. Oh my God. How many of you guys have AirPods? Would you fuck with AirPods? AirPod cases? Hey, this is sick. And I'm going to give you an exclusive logo. Oh, shit. Oh, they kind of flattened it like a little bitch, but that's okay. Hold on. Kimba. This is version 2.0, ladies and gentlemen. All right, ladies and gentlemen. This looks nice. Look. Let me think about this. Let me think about if I'm going to do this or not, because I have to, it's really about like, I got to plan this shit out. But look. It's not, the ratio is not right. They squished it. I don't know why they squished it, but it would be that one. Yeah, they have pro and regular. See, no, look how sick that look. Oh, that's what it would look like, y'all. And like, I'm going to only do like maybe 30. You know, but you know what I mean? Like, this is comparable to like the super rare, like Rolly or the AP or the Patek, but it doesn't look like, you know, like imagine like a Rolex, but it's got the ceramic band, right? Imagine the AP or the Patek, but it's got a ceramic and it's frosted, and then skeleton. Oh, Tiffany. Okay, let's take it there. But this is even more rare than the, well, no, the Tiffany one's more rare, but you know what I mean? Okay, y'all ready for the AirPod case giveaway? Look at how sick that logo is. That's the version 2.0 coming up. That's the version 2.0 coming up. All right, let's get nasty. Let's get nasty. Come on. Woo-wee! Shout out Sato, exclamation, enter. Giving away 5 of these. You can decide at checkout if you want the AirPod Pro or AirPod ones. Ooh, they're both sexy as fuck though. Yeah. Woo, let's see who won. Hustler, Scoundrel, Crypto BS, K2M, Cavalilu. All right, let's go exclamation enter. Exclamation enter for the mouse pad, the big one. I paid for the big one, so you all can get the big one. Exclamation enter. Let's see how the mouse pad is. It's gonna be, either way, it's gonna be a limited edition thing. If it's just ass, then we'll stop it, and then inherently the value goes up anyways. Let's get nasty, y'all. Exclamation enter. Nut Martin says the new logo would be nice as well on the pad. Yes. And so what I'm saying, for example, is if the mouse pad ends up winning out, then we'll do a mouse pad with the new logo. It'll be version 2.0. If this just ends up, people are like, yo, this is ass, and we do desk mats, it'll be desk mat version 2.0. right, of this logo. In which case, there might only be 20 of these around, and it'd be Gucci Magooch, and it'd be super rare. Drone Corleone, congratulations on the mouse pad. Waku, congratulations on the mouse pad. Karen, congratulations. Frota, holy shit, Frota, you're just fucking getting giveaway after giveaway. Boy. Rajalicious. Oh my goodness, you could have this at the front, like where your patients check in. Let's go, Rajalicious. Nazar in the house. Orca, Chauncey. All right, so good shit. Mousepad giveaway, done. Okay, desk mat, not gonna go live. AirPods giveaway, done. All right. Vasco says, do you trade S&P? We're going to this month. Exclamation Bing X. We're going to do it on Bing X. What I'm going to do pretty soon here is I'm going to move like 100K, 200K over to Bing X. 100K, 200K over to BTCC. I think BTCC is going to be the one where I'm going to show the trade on the VIP stream. And that way, it doesn't mess up my MEXC, anything like that, and there's no syncing issues ever. And then I'm also, against my better judgment, I'm probably not going to do this, but I might even enable copy trading over there because all of the merch money, I think after taxes and all that shit, the profit will put into the trading fund. And we'll try to trade it. So we'll see. But then also on Bing X, that's also going to be used to trade traditional markets. Oh, let's go! Oh, hold on. Oh, this is sick! Everybody, oh my God, look at this good looking motherfucker. Show some love to Swap Bay. Oh, this is pretty cool, right? This is sick. Oh my God. This is pretty cool, right? We got another, I just got to test the audio with you guys and see if the audio capture is good. Ooh, my boy. Well, I love you, Swap Bay. Show some love to Swap Bay. He helps out with the website. What happened to your neck? There we go. Let's go. Well, we gotta, no, it's all good. If we gotta at least get everybody's face out. Yeah. Hey, but this is, this was done in 15 seconds, but you guys get the idea though. If we put in the time, I could make this really cool and special. And so this is one of those things that I want to try and implement. All right, I think I'm out of here, ladies and gentlemen. So we made some pretty good progress today. Almost pretty much all the giveaway stuff is pretty good to go. The Twitter one was a little bit funky. We're getting there, though. We're getting there. Crispy, clean. Let's get it. Shit, it's 12:30, damn near. What an amazing day it was today. 12:30, pretty not bad. Damn, 11-hour stream. We're stupid. Okay, y'all. I'm rooting for you guys. Too bad we couldn't do anything live, but we just got to be patient. So can't really show it, in my opinion, until like the 26.6, 26.7 single print, and then obviously got to wait for that sweep long. So stay safe. Rooting for all of you guys. What a day. We got the Discord stuff going too. So it's going to be a fun day tomorrow as well. All right, stay safe, y'all. Sato, take it away.
Touch